A former minister, listen, a former minister, the president decided to visit his office. The president, as at that time, worked with the minister's office and was talking, so he was tired. So a lady came to greet the minister. So the president said to him, "Madam, that's Bonvita and the rest. Can you make tea?" The woman just made the tea, put this thing, and gave the His Excellency drank. He said, "Whoa, what did you add to this tea?" He said, "Nothing, sir." He took it again. He said, "Make another one." To be sure it was not a coincidence, he made the same taste. He said, "What do you do?" He said, "I came to see the minister." I said, No, don't see him. Enter one of our convoy." He entered, and they employed her. What was her job? Make tea. Let me ask you a question. The Bonvita or the milk belongs to them. Our own is to make what she was making. 5 million monthly. What does it? You have been making tea for many years. They don't pay you anything. They just put her there. The man said, I love coffee. I love this. It's a special way she makes it. Others tried to push her. The secretary tried. But when they make, there's always problem. They try to check what she had. She didn't add. It's grace. You are an artist. You think his voice? There's an aura of acceptance a person will command. It's not the song. It's not the voice. It's the grace.